Hello, bonjour, guten tag, namaste, mahaba, how are you, trader? This is Mario from Forex, Other Way, the channel for traders run by a trader. When forecasting the future, there is nothing magic in watching the planets. I will try to show you in this video how you can spot eventual market turning points using Venus. So let's start the rock and roll. So I spotted the point over here on Euro USD daily chart. I spotted a point when the market, after a long term of movement in the distribution accumulation area, whatever you call it, it was before a long uptrend, and then market started ranging. I spot a point after which the market abruptly made this downfall. So the last candle of this area, I would say it's distribution area now. What happened, the last candle over here, this one, the blue candle, was the last candle of the rising market, and then the market collapsed. And the date of this candle was, I will show you, it's 16th of April 2019. Let's go then to the simulation I've done of planetary movements. Here we go. Here I project forward. I got Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, and so on. So I put the forward date 16th of April 2019. Let's go to Venus. And what it shows, the next date projected heliocentric cycle of Venus is 225 degrees. So I projected this date 225 days later, 450 days later, 675 days later, and so on. So this is, this is the periodicity of the planet Venus. After 225 days, Venus come back exactly to the place where it started. So on 16, on 41, in a certain place on heaven, and 225 days later, heliocentric. So from the point of view of the sun, in the middle of our zodiac, Venus should come in the same way. So I got the dates 27th of 11, 10th of 7, 1919, and 20th of February 2020. Let me show you how it looked like. So we started over here, and the first day, 27th of November, was right here. The market made a local bottom over here, and the next one, 10th of July, was 10th of July. What did I do over here? Yes, this is the one. 10th of July 2019, and the market, it was a local correction, whatever. And over here, 20th of March is not here. Was it 20th of March or 20th of February? February, I think. Yes, it was. It was 20th of February 2020. And you know that the market made such a move over here. 20th of February 2020. Alright, so it's this way you can spot eventual turning points like this one, or like this, the minor one, or like this one, which is not a very minor one, but the market was ranging here in 2019, November till the beginning of January. So, but the next point, I realized that this date, I projected this date over here. Where is this? It's 2020. It's not that one. Just let me go back to 2016, to 16th of... Oh, it's not this one. Let's move it by month. 2016... Was it 16? No, 2018. It was April 16th, 2018. So let's go to April 16th. Here we go. We got Monday, April 16th, 2018. Venus was then at 49 degree, roughly 49 degree. So let me show you. So this is the date over here. Here Venus was on 49-degree angular. So again, if you make the whole cycle again in the same way as we did over there, let me show you what will happen. It will happen exactly the same thing. When we go to the 49-degree angular Venus, which is not very far, 6, 7, 8, 9, it shows us Friday, May 31st. So May 31st, 2019. So let's mark it. Let's get rid of these lines. Okay, we got them deleted. So it was May 31st, 2031st or 30th. May 31st, Venus 49. Let's do it exactly to keep it is like over here, May 31st, 4896. So it's May 31st, 2:07 a.m. early morning, Friday, May 36, 2019. Where are we? Is it May 31st? No, it's July. Is it June, July, June, 31st of May. Here we go. We are right here, the first movement. So as you see, when Venus came back again on 49-degree angular value, it made a local bottom over here. And the next one, let's project it further. Let's go another 360-degree around the zodiac, and let's find 49-degree. It will be, let's do it exactly, and 49-degree. Anyway, you might see it's March 23rd, 2020, which happened March 23rd. Which one was this one? No, 23rd. That's the one. So this over here, the candle with big spikes on both sides was again the starting of another trend change, local swing. So in this way you can project any planet anytime you check it. Not every planet works. Not Venus is working with Euro USD at the moment. It might not work over 6 months or a year or two. At the moment it's working. Every instrument's got different planet which works the best. Try it at home. Thanks very much for watching. I'll see you next time. Take care of yourself and bye bye.